Gold prices may be settling in under $1,800 an ounce. We're going to talk about why that could be in today's video. Welcome back, guys, to the Independent Experience. I'm IndyXP Bullion, and this is the Morning Market Wake-Up Call for Wednesday, February 17th, 2021. I hope everybody's having a great morning. We have some records to talk about in today's video. Let's go ahead and take a look at the markets and see where we're starting today off at. As I noted at the beginning of the video, gold is down, currently under $1,800 at $1,797.86. Silver also down at $27.28. That gives us a ratio of 65.91. Platinum is down significantly, currently at $12.40.24, and palladium just barely holding on above $2,400 at $24.0275. We did see a bump in rhodium though yesterday. It is up $500, currently at $21,800. Base metals remain somewhat unchanged. Copper is at $3.83, nickel is at $8.45, aluminum at 94 cents, zinc at $1.25, and lead is at 95 cents. Barrels of crude oil continue to push higher. We are back over $60 a barrel, getting ready to push over 61, currently at $60.93. We had a record-breaking day on Wall Street yesterday. The Dow Jones closed at an all-time high, up 64 points at 31,522.75. The Nasdaq was down 47 points at 14,047.50, and the S&P 500 was down 2 points at 3932.59. The U.S. dollar index has climbed nicely in the last 24 hours, currently at 90.81. If you guys trade in Bitcoin, then we've reached another record there. At 4:50 Eastern Standard Time this morning, Bitcoin hit an all-time high of 51,717.88. It's currently down slightly, currently at 51,516.03. We do think that we will see another record broken here later today and there. And if you happen to exchange gold back today, whether that be the Utah, Northern Nevada, and those are exchanging for $3.18, down 3 cents from yesterday's video. So we don't have an article to review today, but I did want to talk briefly about gold's downturn and cryptocurrency's upturn. So why are we seeing gold prices drop? We're not seeing them drop significantly, but it wasn't too long ago that we were flirting with $2,000. We had gone over $2,000 an ounce, and now we're down under 18 again. So why are we seeing this drop? There's nothing fundamentally wrong with gold. There's nothing out there in the market that's saying gold is a poor investment. There's a few reasons why gold is down slightly from where it was. We are down, 10% from those record highs that we saw in the mid-late part of last year. So there's three factors that I think are probably the driving force for the downturn that we've seen here recently. One is the U.S. dollar index. Obviously, it had gone down below 90 at one point at the tail end of Trump's presidency, and there was a lot of uncertainty going into Biden's presidency, and I think that the investor sentiment towards the U.S. dollar strength is gaining momentum. I think more and more people are finding out that just because the president changes, we went from one extreme to another on our presidents, it's not that big of a deal, I don't think. So I think a lot of people are gaining trust in the U.S. dollar again. Obviously, here in the stacking community, we're always a little leery about cash, but it is the tale of time. We have to play their game for now. So the U.S. dollar is improving. Second, bond yields are improving. So we are starting to see bond yields starting to inch back up. That might be driving a little bit of the money away from gold as well. But I think the biggest reason why we're seeing the downturn in gold currently is cryptocurrencies. there are more and more large banks, large corporations that are turning their eyes towards cryptocurrency because Bitcoin is in the news, Dogecoin is in the news, Ethereum is in the news. There's a lot more eyes focused on cryptocurrencies now. And that is causing more and more people to want to invest in it. And if you're holding precious metals, gold, silver, platinum, palladium, if you're holding those in large quantities like a corporation, and you need to liquidate that and get it off your books so you can move it over into Bitcoin, then that's what you're going to do. And that could be the real factor on why we're seeing the prices go down in gold. So, like I said, don't have an article today. I just wanted to get my hot take on that out there for you guys. I'd be very interested to hear what you guys have to say on this topic. Am I way off base, or my ideas on this just totally off the reservation, or do they actually make a little bit of sense to you? So let me know down in the comments. Be very interested to hear what you have to say on the topic. Guys, I do greatly appreciate every single one of you. And if you happen to appreciate old IndyXP Bullion, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button for me right there. Helps me out immensely. If you happen to be new to the independent experience and you want to keep up to date on when all the latest and greatest content is coming out, make sure you hit the subscribe and jingle bell right there in the corner, bing bong, so you can stay notified of when the new content is coming out. Of course, we're going to pop a box up on this side of the screen. That's going to be the gateway to the back catalog of videos. You can start watching those at your heart's content at the end of this one. Guys, I've been IndyXP Bullion from the Independent Experience, and I'm here again to remind you, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find your pockets heavy.